welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're here for the first time or you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, I want to encourage you to do so for a variety of DIY projects. For today, I am going to make 2 sunflower centerpieces. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I already have my hoops preset, and I'm just going to decorate them for you and just show you these 2 ideas that I have. Now, in my last episode, I made a tall sunflower centerpiece slash column or stand, and I'm making some more centerpieces to go with that because I have an event coming up tomorrow and my theme is sunflower. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what I have so far, and then I will allow you to see me decorate these 2 pieces. So to begin, I have, I'm gonna decorate this. So here I have a embroidery hoop, and I just have a piece of wood. The embroidery hoop comes from Joann. This block of wood comes from, I think, Home Depot. And then I got this little piece right here from Walmart. So I just hot glued this on, and then I just secured this with 3 nails. So I don't know if you can see that. Yep, so I didn't use any glue, any wood glue, any hot glue. I just nailed this in. So I'm gonna give this a spray paint and decorate it. Okay, now I have, and I'm gonna adjust the camera so you can see this hoop that I have here. So I also have this large hoop, and this is made of a hula hoop from the Dollar Tree. My base is 2 clipboards glued together, hot glued together, and I took the stuff that was on the hula hoop, I took it off, and then I took the little rocks that's inside of it that makes the sound, and I used a screwdriver, and I have like 4 screws here, and I screwed this down. But before I screwed it down, I used the hot glue. So this is actually something that I'm recycling from another project. So I did like a floral arrangement with this hoop before, so I'm just gonna recreate it. So with this, my plan is to use some sunflowers, of course, because that's my theme, and also to add some balloons. And I also have a wooden, and I'll let you see that just a moment. I have this large family sign. So the event that I'm decorating for, it is a family event. So I made sure I got banners that say family, and I also made sure I got these wooden pieces to say family as well. So I'm not gonna spray paint this, but I am gonna give my hoop with my clipboard base, I'm gonna give this some paint because it's like you can see like worn off paint. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna let you see my ideas for these 2 pieces. I'm starting with my smaller hoop. So I have these sunflower heads. I took them off of the stem, and I'm going to hot glue them to the bottom. So if you decide to use floral foam, it's gonna make you use more flowers, because the more foam you use, it gives you a fuller look, but you just end up having to put a lot more flowers in. So I'm not gonna use the floral foam for this. I'm just gonna glue them directly onto the hoop. Add more glue as needed to make sure you attach it really well. So I even put some hot glue underneath the petals to make sure that it is attached to this hoop or this base. So now I do have a tea light holder I'm gonna attach up here. So I'm tying this on. And then I just want to add one flower to the top, just one. So maybe like in front of family, move it down a little. And it's a little difficult because there's not much for the flower to attach to. Keeping my little light. And so that is going to be it for this centerpiece here. Okay, so I do not have the family sign attached to the hoop. Once I get into the event, I probably will attach it, but I'm just gonna hot glue these sunflowers in front of it to the petals. I'm gonna hot glue the petals. So I'm just gluing down the petals to hold these flowers in place. Now I'm about to do another row just to cover these screws, so to cover those screws. And like these two little imperfections back here, you're not gonna really see those. I'm leaving a little space for the family sign to still go here. Still have space to put our family sign. Now I'm gonna move to the hoop. That will be it for the base. Okay, so I have the balloons in quads and with my colors, and then I'm gonna use the fish line to attach it to the hoop. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna tie this to the fish line. A knot. Trying to decide where I want it. And I have 4 quads. Cut this because, let's see, cut off a nice piece. All right, I made it to the finish line. I was able to get both of these centerpieces completed. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it because yesterday, as you know, I made another sunflower centerpiece / stand, and I am just exhausted, and tomorrow is the event. So definitely I want you to comment below and tell me what you think of these ideas. If somebody you know have an event coming up, please share this video with them. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. And I'm gonna try to make sure I share maybe some pictures or something from the event about my setup and how everything turned out. So I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.